science experiment for you, similar to the cups in the can. All you need is an empty soda bottle. This is an empty 2-liter bottle. But is it empty? No, it's full of, and you need a wad of paper. The wad of paper needs to be smaller than the opening of the bottle. And if you put the wad of paper in the opening of the bottle, and you get about 4 or 5 inches from the bottle and you blow, see what happens to the wad of paper. Your mind is telling you that the wad of paper should go into the bottle, but watch what happens. Okay? You could also try blowing sideways instead of directly into the bottle. You could try a smaller bottle. You could try a glass bottle. Okay? But you can have fun with your friends. Once you see what happens, then you could try this with mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, or brother or sister in your house, and you can surprise them. Have fun with the science experiments. Have a good day. Bye.